Today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your Shadow the Hedgehog minifigure. I'm going to be using both versions of this minifigure for this tutorial, but there really isn't much difference between the two aside from a different mouth print. So really either one works, I just happen to prefer the newer version. For starters, while this figure does have a golden print here for his bracelets, we can upgrade him. But first we're going to have to pop off Shadow's hands.
Oh, not like this!
Next you'll need 2 of these golden ring pieces. By sliding this golden ring piece on the wrist and then covering it up again with his hand piece that we took off, it makes for a much better detailed bracelet than the simple print that's on there. You can see there's only printing on the front part of the feet here, so we're going to add some accessories to give it a little bit more detail. Start by getting 2 pearl gold minifigure roller skate pieces. That way his iconic skates look a little bit more detailed from the side. So far so good, but I think we should add some weapons too. By putting together a pistol, a minifigure hand, and a candle piece in black, you can make a pretty cool submachine gun for Shadow to use. It's also pretty easy to make the Gatling gun from the Shadow the Hedgehog game with just a few different pieces. And you can also give him a samurai sword too, just like he uses in the game as well. If you enjoyed any of these minifigure upgrades to Shadow the Hedgehog, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.